Hey guys, Francis here. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can actually make money just listening to music. Yes, just listening to your favorite song, okay, be it jazz, hip hop, reggae, rock music, okay, whatever kind of music you'll be listening to, all right, you can actually use this method to get little money, okay, just doing so, or basically just sharing your own honest opinion about certain lyrics online. All right, now if this is something that interests you, okay, we'll be going over this step by step. And number 3, okay, among these websites I'm going to be sharing with you right here today is my favorite one, because you can earn between $1 to $12 per song you listen to online. That sounds amazing, yeah? Now, other people are currently doing this, okay, to make money on the side, okay? Actually, this is not something that's going to get you rich overnight. This is something that can help you make money on the side, okay? You can use that money to buy something online, buy gift cards, okay? You can use those money to buy other music on online, okay? Or basically reinvest that money into something, okay? That is what you can basically use this money for, all right? So don't expect to get rich over this. Now, at the end of this video, okay, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing strategy that you can actually use to make money even while you sleep from home, all right? That sounds amazing, yeah? So if you'd like to learn more about that, stay to the end of this video. So if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I'm based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I make videos in terms of entrepreneurship and how to make money online. Now, I've been away for a while right now because I've been doing other things in my businesses that I currently run, and now I'm fully back to making YouTube videos and sharing some of my experiences with you guys right here on this channel. So if you like content like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon also, that way you get notified whenever I upload value-packed video like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything, all right? And let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Share this video with your friend. Like, okay, you know the drill, okay? Do all of that. I appreciate you for doing that, okay? So with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'll be sharing with you an amazing way, okay, which is how you can actually make money listening to music, okay? We're actually going to be looking at 3 major websites, and like I said, number 3 is my favorite, and you don't want to miss out on it. So with that being said, let's dive right to my computer and let's look at the good stuff. So guys, to begin with, the first website we're actually going to be looking at right here that you can use to make money, okay, just listening to music. All right, we'll be going over to this one called Predictor.com. Okay, now this is a simple website that you're going to be earning money, okay, and gift cards by just sharing your own honest opinion, okay, before a song is being released. Okay, now this is a powerful and a more simple way to make money, because, and a more important way also that you can make money, because you have the power to influence certain musics, okay, before they are released, and by doing so, okay, you get to contribute to whatever song your favorite artist is going to be putting out and all of those good stuff, okay, because it is very, very important that we share our own honest opinion about certain things we like, okay, because sometimes your own favorite celebrity or favorite artist might release a song that you're wondering, okay, why did they put this kind of song out, okay, but you can actually, okay, help in, okay, adding your own honest opinion about certain musics, okay, before they are released, and you're getting paid while you do so. So this website is called Predictor.com. all right, so you can see right here, this is where you create your account, okay, put in your details and all of that, okay, then you click this section where they say I'm not a robot, this recapture, and you sign up, all right, and it is absolutely free to do. Now the second website we're going to be looking at right here is Radio Earn, okay, it is radioearn.com. okay, now this is a website also that allows you to earn money, all right, just listening to radio stations online, okay, and let's look at how it basically works right here. You can see the first step right here on how it works is you create an account, which is absolutely free, 100% free. All right, after your registration, you can log in to see your account, see your dashboard and all of that. Then you start radio, okay, then you start earning by you click or you open your radio links, and you can also use live APIs for your website if you wish, though, for other users to listen for you, okay. That's if you want that, but you can basically open a radio station and start listening, okay, and you get paid every 15 minutes. You earn points. This point will be converted at the following month, okay, to USD. The USD you can pay out via bank transfer, gift cards, or via cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and all of those cool stuff. Okay, so you can see this platform right here is a great platform also you can use to earn money on the side while listening to music or listening to what you like. Okay, and it's not that complicated. All right, we'll come down to the FAQ section right here. You can see the service is 100% free and it is worldwide available. Okay, you can see you can use our service worldwide. We support every country, which is amazing. Like I said, right here on this channel, I like sharing strategies or methods or websites that are worldwide available. Okay, or we get to share different strategies that we can use to make some websites work for us depending on the region we are or wherever we are in the world. Okay, we pay by net 30 via PayPal. Okay, where you see net 30 means 30 days. Okay, via PayPal. So you just basically go over to paypal.com and create an account. If you're in a country where you can't receive PayPal payment, you navigate your way around it and figure out a way to create a PayPal account. It's not so hard, all right, if you have the right tools and the right information. Okay, so you can come right here and see how many members they have on this platform. About 200,000 members, listeners. I guess this is current listeners. Okay, about 1,000 plus. Okay, I already paid 200,000 plus to listeners also around the world. Okay, so this is this platform called Radio Earn, and to create an account you just come right here, click on sign up, okay, which will be brought to a page that looks like this. All you can basically do is to fill in your information, your name, all right, put in a password, fill out this, take this reCAPTCHA, okay, then you register. Then from there you can start listening to radio and start earning points where you can make money. Okay, so it is not something complicated. It's not a website that is so difficult. It's very, very easy, self-explanatory, and you can start making money on the fly. All right, so this is the second website we'll be looking at. Now for the third website, like I said, the third website is my favorite, okay, because it has you can earn between $1 to $12 just using the third website, and the website is Playlist Push. Okay, if you haven't heard of it before, it is called Playlist Push, which connects artists to playlist creators. Okay, you can see right here they say we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators, okay, a way to discover new music. All right, we're just going to scroll down this page right here. You can see the platform right here. You want to sign up as a creator. Okay, you basically want to sign up on this platform as a creator. All right, you can see they say earn money by listening and reviewing songs. Okay, and there's a strategy behind this particular platform which I'll be sharing with you in just a moment on how you can use this to make upwards of $12 per song. Like I said, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so this is a really cool platform that you can basically use to make money while doing what you actually love, which is listening to music, okay, and having fun at the same time. Okay, so you can see this has been mentioned in some of the big platforms, and you can see some of the cool testimonials they have right here. So we can just basically learn more. Click on this learn more. I already opened that up already. Say discover new music for your playlist. Okay, get paid to review songs. Okay, and imagine you just listening to a particular song, reviewing it, putting your own honest opinion about it, and you're getting paid while doing it. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. Okay, and there are some recommendations you need, okay, to enable you to start making money from this platform. Okay, all right. Now you can see this section where they say paid per review. Qualified playlist creator can earn up to $12 per review. Okay, instant payout, request payout at any time. We pay directly via bank account. All right, and you also help to support indie artists. Okay, help new and upcoming artists by providing feedbacks on their music. Okay, which is actually very, very cool. Okay, now to qualify as a creator, you will need your own playlist. This is the steps you will basically need to follow. Okay, to qualify as a creator, you need your own playlist with real followers. It can either be on Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Okay, make sure you have an account, okay, an active account with active followers of on this platform: Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Once you know that yes, this is a platform you would like to go with, all you can do is to click on sign me up, okay, which will be brought to a page like this one, because you want to sign up as a creator. Sign up as a playlist creator. Okay, now you have to put your country right here, okay, whatever country you're from, okay, just put that right here. Then you're going to tell them how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have. Okay, let's say you have multiple Spotify playlists. Okay, you can now tell them how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have. Or do you mean to apply as a TikToker instead? Okay, but I recommend you just stick with this particular recommendation right here. This one's they list out right here, so you can tell them followers, what your followers are on your biggest Spotify playlist. Okay, so you can basically, like I said earlier on, you need to create a Spotify account, an Apple Music account, or a YouTube Music account. Okay, make sure it is active, and on Spotify, particularly, you need to have an active playlist with a bunch of followers. You can see right here, I don't have a playlist yet, 0 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, so it would be cool if you can have between 400 to 1,000 or 1,000 and above, which I'll be sharing with you a strategy, okay, a simple strategy that you can use to get these followers, okay, which will enable you earn up to this amount they list right here, up to $12 per song. Okay, because if you don't have a lot of followers, okay, the amount of money you'll be earning can be very slim, maybe $1 or less. But if you have above, like, let me say, like this recommendation right here, which I know this platform is very, very more than happy to work with you as long as you have this number of active followers on your Spotify playlist or on your Spotify account, okay, about 1,000 to 10,000, and this will enable you earn up to $12 per song. The way you can basically have this amount of people is to go over to Facebook. Okay, basically this is what I recommend you do. Okay, it's not that complicated at all. You go over to Facebook and you just search for music lovers. All right, then you make sure you create a playlist. All right, I'll just come right here and just put music vibes. Basically, I can just type in music vibes, then I will see a bunch of music groups, okay, where I can find people who love music. All right, and when you find people who love music, what you can basically do is to share your playlist with them. All right, you can create multiple playlists and different types of playlists on your Spotify account or any of these platforms, okay, and you can maybe create like a workout playlist. You can create like a vibes playlist. Okay, a lot of people like listening to vibes, some kind of genre that is that syncs with their mood at a particular time. Some people like listening to sad songs and all of that. So you can basically create some playlist on any of these platforms, okay, and share on these groups right here on Facebook. You can basically come over to Facebook, type in a particular keyword, music vibes or music lovers, go over to groups, okay, and join some of the groups that are on there. All right, you can see this group have about 14,000 members right here, so you can go over to this group, and all these other ones with smaller members, okay, helps you to connect with people easily and get them to follow your account, okay, or follow your playlist. This will now enable you to get a lot of followers, okay, on your account. Okay, that way it will enable you to make this amount of money on playlist push. All right, so this is the simple strategy you can use to do this, to get more followers, okay, on your account. Or basically you can go beneath the comment section of this video and list your account over there and follow one another and grow from there. Okay, there's so many other YouTube channels and so many other YouTube music platforms that you can go on there in the comment section and connect with other people, whereby they can also follow your account or your list. All right, which will enable you get up to 1,000 up to 10,000 active, okay, people, okay, active followers who listen to you. So this is a strategy you can basically use to get this. All right, now as I promised you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing way you can make money even while you sleep. There'll be a link on the screen right here, okay, which is a video, okay, that will show you step by step on how you can basically earn money while you sleep, okay, which is amazing. All right, and then there'll be a link in the description of this video, the first link, all right, where I share my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online. Now share this video with a friend, okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Give this video a like. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.